Who wants to say the prayer this week? Today?
I can say it.
Okay.
All right. Dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for this day. We're grateful that we could meet together as a math group, and please bless that we'll be able to understand all the problems that we have for the questions, and please bless that we'll do well on the group quiz as well, and we'll understand everything. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Thanks, Joseph.
Yeah. So should we just do the extension? Oh wait, no, they have the team discussion.
Yeah. So discuss exponential and logarithmic functions, graphing, etc. Does everyone understand how exponential functions and logs work?
Kind of. I did most of the homework for like this week. It was just kind of weird on like graphing some of the stuff.
Yeah. I don't really understand how to, like, I can kind of get how to graph it, but how to like find the x and the y values.
Yeah, that stuff's kind of tricky. I'm just like thinking for like the homework on like the actual website, it's like super tricky on like trying to get everything so precise when you're graphing it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I keep on getting incorrect answers for it, and it's getting a little annoying, so I just let it be.
Yeah. I know, like, I was really stubborn and I was like, I don't need to watch the video on how to work the graph until I was like, oh, wait, I do. It made a lot of sense afterwards.
Where's that video at?
It was in. If I can find it. Oh, I remember it was in the like where she posts the messages.
The table of contents.
It was like in her introduction for this week.
Oh, so the let's see.
The purple math one?
Let me. No, it's just the one after that, the YouTube video.
The YouTube one?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, yeah, I didn't watch that. You found that to be pretty helpful?
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's all of that name.
Sweet. I'll have to check that out.
Did everyone get the preparation assignment
done? Honest answer. Probably not the whole thing.
It's okay. I did the homework first, and then I literally just looked at it while I was waiting for you guys.
Yeah. I've been doing some of the MML though.
Yeah. It didn't make any sense until I did the homework.
Yep. Well, do you want to launch off into the problems and just kind of plunge ahead?
Yeah, I'm down for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Any idea what to do?
Hmm. Um, oh, yes. Okay, I got it. You just put it to log base 3,
Mm-hmm.
and
Oh,
then the logs just cancel each other out. Just ignore the logs.
yeah.
Or when you subtract it over. Anyway, it ends up being just x plus 8 equals 0. And then it's just x equals -8.
I got 6.
You probably didn't change your sign, right? When you subtracted -1.
Yep.
Yeah, I just got -8.
Okay. I see what I did wrong. So do the ln cancel each other out too?
Yeah, just a natural log with a base of e.
So like for ln x minus 2 equals ln 3x minus plus 11, they have the same base, right? So they cancel each other out.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
What'd you guys get for the second one?
I got -2/3.
I got the same.
How'd you get it?
So you take the 16x and you have to give it the same base as 2 to the 2x minus 2. And so 2 to the 4th is 16. So you just go, so you put 2x to the x minus 2 equals 2 to the 4 times x.
It's times x.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
4 times x is all exponent.
So where does the 3 come from in the whole situation?
So I subtracted on both sides. So 4x minus x is 3x.
Oh yeah. Okay. I see what's there. Okay, cool. Thanks. Sorry, I'm kind of dumb sometimes. Hey, on that third one,
Yeah.
that looks like IN, not LN.
It's Ellen. That's natural log.
Oh, okay. It just looked like an I for some reason.
Hmm.
And what'd you guys get for that one?
I just started working on it.
Yeah. I got -13/2, but the answer key does not say that.
Yeah, I think it's because you have to like plug it into X to see if it works.
Okay.
Did you guys finish all of problem 1?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just finished. Where are you guys at right now?
I just started the second problem.
No, I finished it.
You finished it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Because you just be doing transformations.
Did you guys use like a log on the first one?
No. It's like, so exponential functions and logarithms are like opposite. So for logs, it never will touch a point on like the x-axis, so going down, and then for exponential functions, it'll be on the y-axis, so going across. Does that make sense?
Not really. Let's see here. I'll try to figure it out real quick.
So they should be opposites like this. Let me see if I can.
There you go.
Kind of like that.
Okay. Okay, that goes up and that goes down. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. And so then if you like use the transformation, it should be pretty easy to graph.
Okay. Yeah, you just push over a bit.
Mm-hmm.
So you didn't like solve for like x-intercepts or anything like that for that one then?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, and it was taking me a while.
Yeah. I think you're supposed to for the first one, but I just like kind of drew a rough sketch of like, this is how it's supposed to look.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you guys ready to move on to the group quiz?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Is that one there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is a logarithm?
The inverse of an exponential function.
Yeah, that's kind of along the same lines as I was thinking.
I think
Makes sense.
it's supposed to be harder than that because then the answer is literally on the next question.
Oh, true.
So I guess it's just like it's the inverse, but the limit will never reach a point on somewhere on the y-axis or like on the y.
Are you talking about number 2?
No, I don't know. I feel like you should write like we need more for number 1.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, like a logarithm, it's an exponent. Well, it shows like what to what power will equal a certain number. So like 100 base 10 is like 2, right?
yeah. I found like this helpful little thing on the homework.
I think like another way of explaining it, it could be like logarithms can like kind of undo exponential functions, if that makes sense. Kind of like addition and subtraction.
Okay, yeah. So answering number 1 is also like answering number 2.
What's that?
So like half of our answers for number 1 is also for number 2.
Yeah. Are we still thinking about number 1?
No.
Number 2? Okay. I came up with an answer for number 1. But
Okay.
I guess I said a logarithm is an inverse exponential function which indicates the power by which the base number is raised to produce a given number.
Sounds good.
But yeah, I don't know. What did you guys end up writing down?
I just said it undoes like an exponential function, kind of like how addition and subtraction work. But that's like really simple. Your answer is probably better than mine.
Yeah. I just have my little thing I showed you guys.
Mm-hmm. You like the equation?
Yeah.
That's the language of math, so I think that's probably a good one. So for 2, did you guys already write down something for 2?
Yeah, I just wrote down x and y intercept are reversed.
You wrote down a what?
The x and y intercepts are reversed.
Okay.
Because that's what the inverse of functions are.
Is there no solution for number 3?
No, you can solve it. It's just taking me a little bit to understand, but I think I'm getting it.
I like only halfway understand.
Because like I haven't tried to use logs or anything on it, but just looking at it, like 3 to the 2x plus 4 equals -3 doesn't have any solutions.
I just don't know what to do with that +3.
Yeah.
It's sharp in there. They're all one of the first. I'm brother number 3.
I think I have number 3.
What are you thinking? I can't really see it.
Here, let me see if I can just move it closer. Is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know when you want me to move my page down.
Yeah, you can move it up a bit. Thanks.
Yep. You guys have it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you do 4A? Any ideas?
I'm thinking about it.
I have an idea, but I'm not sure it's right. So if you take the that little equation that I showed you, a to the y equals x. So you take the base of the first one, which is 2, and to the y, which is 0, and so that equals 1. And then you would take that 1 and you would plug it in for x or for the other ones. So for log of 3, you'd be 3 to the first power equals 3, and then 4 to the third power equals 64.
Okay, let me see if I can try and figure it out.
Okay.
I think the answer might just be 1.
That also could happen.
Because at the end of the day, it's log base 4 to the 0 equals whatever is inside those parentheses, right? And the only thing that log base 4 can make it equal, like the only thing log base 4, like 4 to the what to 0 can only equal 1, right?
Yeah.
Because what we're solving for is what is 4 to the 0 equal? I don't know. Did you get something, Joseph?
Almost. So I got x equals 8. Here, I'll show you guys. Let's see. This thing right here. So what you're basically trying to do is you're trying to cancel out like the log 4 and the log 3. So you can just isolate log 2 of x to equal like whatever number it is. And so you basically have to like, I remember like reading about this, or I think it was the equation that Rachel talked about. It was that thing right there, the a log or a equals log of b or log b, and then parentheses b to the a. So you basically like plug that in for like each side whenever you cancel out like one side of it, just so you can continue canceling it out until you get log 2 of x.
Okay,
Does that make sense?
kind of. Okay, I think I understand.
Cool.
Okay, yeah, I get it. I was working from the inside out, not the outside in.
Yeah.
Those two.
I was kind of treating it like you know how we did like the f of g of h of x or whatever.
Yeah, that's what I kind of thought of at first. So, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Just a redo on my curve.
How do you even start with the first for B?
We do like the same thing that we did for the for the first couple of extension problems. We have to find the same base number.
Oh, okay.
So if it's 4 to the x minus 2 equals 8, you're gonna have to bring both of those down to the base number of 2.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. So it should equal 3.
What's that?
So x should equal 3.
I couldn't hear what you said.
X should equal -3, right?
Let's see.
Well,
Oh wait, no, never mind.
Yeah, I was kind of confused. Yeah.
I got really excited.
Here, this is what I got right here for B. I think it's the right answer. I need to double check though.
Where did you get that 11 from?
You add the 8 to the 3.
What, 8? Where'd you get 8 from?
Get it from you multiply that 4 to the x and to the -2. I don't know if this is right because I just plugged it into my calculator and I got a different answer, so I'm gonna try something else.
Okay, so I think what you did wrong, you just moved the entire 4 up when it should just be 2.
Yeah.
yeah, the answer is 7/2.
Okay, that's
Okay.
what I got.
Okay. I'll try and figure that out.
like when you moved your, like you made them the same base, you put 4 instead of 2 because 4 times 4 is 16.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
So you did the work right, you just made that one problem. That one mistake.
Can I see your work, Rachel? Because I just kind of like looked at the problem and was like, oh yeah, that's 3 halves, but I didn't really do it probably like I was supposed to.
If you can see my work, it's like stuck in the corner right there. Can you see that?
No.
I just got 7 halves. Here's
Okay.
here's what I got.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Sweet.
How do you do C?
I think you have to use natural log. Okay, I think I got it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, dude, you're the log master. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Sweet.
After a bit of struggle. I think I went through like a whole eraser that session.
Okay. Who wants to turn in the quiz this week?
To be honest with my piece, I don't know if it'd get the best grade on mine.
Yeah.
I struggled on a couple of them.
Same. Did you get notes down for all of them, Joseph?
Pretty much. I just don't know if number one's like the best definition I could give.
Want to write down my definition and Rachel's?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. What is a logarithm? A logarithm is an inverse exponential function.
Inverse exponential function.
Uh-huh. Which indicates the power by which the base number is raised.
Wait, go. It says which indicates what? What was it?
The power
The power
by which the base
base
number is raised.
is raised. Okay.
To produce
Uh-huh.
a given number or a number or just something about numbers. To produce a given number.
Okay.
Is that it?
For me, for like finding stuff to write down, or
For like all your problems that you need.
yeah, I think I got everything. I'll turn in this quiz this week.
Okay. I'm only like pushing because I have to go to work in half an hour.
Yeah, that's fine.
Very good. What do you do for work?
I'm a TA for
Okay.
robotics class.
Oh, super cool. Is that like what you want to major in?
I'm majoring in physics, so kind of.
That's ambitious. I wish I was smart.
Well, obviously from this class, it's not going so well right now.
Nah, you're killing it.
Yeah. Cool. And then I'll turn in the video.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.